we have to do, we have to convert the given grammar into an augmented grammar. We first convert the given grammar into an augmented grammar. First, we have to understand what is augmented grammar, what will be the augmented grammar for this grammar. Augmented का मतलब we have to add a dummy variable that should start with starting symbol का dash. So for example, it is start with A, we have to add E dash tends to whatever, E dash tends to dot E. E dash tends to E. Then what is the grammar? We have to write whole the grammar. Now this grammar become augmented grammar. This is the grammar. Now we have to write whole grammar same as. Now we have to write whole grammar same as this one, this one. Now this grammar become an augmented grammar. Whatever the starting symbol of if you want to make any grammar an augmented grammar, what have to you to do? You have to just find out starting symbol of that grammar and place a new variable, that is whatever the starting symbol dash of that starting symbol and starting symbol of this grammar. Here starting symbol is E, that's why we have placed E dash tends to E. The remaining grammar will be same. This is the first step. If you have given any grammar, you have to just make that grammar an augmented grammar. After that, what you have to do? After that, we have to take closer. We have to rename this grammar, not rename, we have provide numbering. So you have to start with 0, whatever the augmented grammar, it should 0, then 1, after that it is 2. You have to take any number, but we have to follow the logical order 4, and this is the 5. These are the numbering of grammar. This is the we should do after the augmented grammar. After that, we have to perform closure of the augmented grammar. So we have to calculate LR0 items. LR0 items. What is LR0 items? So LR0 items हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? What is the procedure to calculate LR0 item? We just perform closure of the augmented grammar. It is the closure. We have to perform closure of the augmented grammar. This is the closure. What is the closure of E? If we calculate closure of any grammar, then you have to identify which is producing, which is the production of the E. Because we have to calculate, we have to take closure of this grammar. What is the closure of E? In LR0 set of items, if there is a non-terminal which have dot on their left hand side, then we have to perform closure of that non-terminal. There is a E, there is a E, and E have a dot on their left hand side. That's why we have to perform closure of E. What is the closure of E? Check grammar. What is producing E? What is the production of E? E is tends to what is production of E? We have to put dot plus T. It is the production of E. And what is the production of E? We have to put all the production of E with dot. This is the closure of E. Now there is a dot before T. T is non-terminal, and there is a dot on their left hand side. That's why we have to calculate closure of T also. What is producing T? T is producing dot T star and F. And what is producing T? We have to put all the production of T. That's why we have to put dot F. Same way we have to calculate closure of F also. What is producing if F tends to dot ID. This is the closure of augmented grammar. Now we have to combine these into a separate group. We have to combine all these into a separate group. what will happen here? It is these are the items. Now we have to give these as a name. Its name is ID. Now after that we have to perform closure. We have to perform go to operation of state I0. It is state I0 and all the symbol which has dot their left hand side. We have to perform go to for all those symbols which have dot on their left hand side. That's why we have to perform go to. What will be the next operation? We have to perform go to for which there is a state that is I0 and which symbol I have to take? It is the there is a many symbol like E, T, F and ID. So we have to perform separately each and every symbol. Now I have taken here E. What will happen here? In go to dot will move one position right side, and if there is possibility of performing closure, then we have to perform closure. What will happen? It will happen E dash tends to E dash produce E dot, and there is one more E. E tends to E dot plus T. These are the. Can we perform closure here? No, because uh, after dot there is no non-terminal. Here it is terminal plus. We cannot perform closure of this. That's why it becomes a new set of item. Now we have to separate it and name give it that is I1. I1. After that we have to perform go to on which item uh, I0. We have to take state I0 and T. That's why it becomes now we have to write here go to I naught and T. What will happen? In go to operation, dot move next position. If there is possibility of closure, then we have to calculate closure. What will happen here? This one, T dot move one position right. Then it will T T dot star F. This is the. Can we perform closure here? Answer. What will our answer? There is no. We cannot perform closure because there is no dot on left side of any terminal. Here there is a dot, but it is a terminal. There is a no non-terminal. That's why we have to give it a separate name. It becomes next state. This one we have to give name it as a I2. Now we have to perform go to for next remaining item in I0. What will happen? We have to write here go to I0 and we have to take F. What will happen after performing go to? Dot will move one position right side of that symbol this way. Can we perform go to a closure of this? No, because dot is the uh, right end of that non-terminal. That's why we cannot perform go to of this, closure of this. Now it will become next state, that is the I3. We have to perform all these state till all the state till new state becomes int. Now we have to perform next. What is next? It is go to I naught and ID. What will happen here? ID is a single terminal. That's why what will happen? Dot move for next position. This one. Can this is matching with any state? No. Now we have to give it another state. Name it another state. That become the I4. Now is there any symbols left on state I naught? And what will be our answer? No, because we have performed all the go to operation in given I naught. Now we have to check I1. Can we perform go to operation on I1? Yes. For which operator? It is plus, because before plus there is a dot. Now what will happen? It will happen go to I1. Then we have to take plus. What will happen here? Dot position move one position right side, and if there is possibility of performing go to operation closure of that symbol, then we have to perform closure. This will what will outcome of this one dot. Can we perform a closure of t? Yes, because in right hand side there is a dot on the left of a non-terminal. That's why we have to perform closure. What will be the closure of t? What is producing t? Just check grammar. T is producing t star f. What is producing t? We have to write here. Clear? Now, it is matching with any state? No, because all these are different from the, it is not matching anyone. That's why we have to give it separate name. What will be the name of this? It becomes I5. Becomes state I5. Now we have to perform go to, for which in I1 we have to take state I2 and star. It will be the go to I2 star. What will happen here? Dot move next position. It will happen T. Can we perform here? Go to of F. Sorry, closure of F. Yes, we can perform closure of F. What is producing F? It is producing. Yes. Yes. It is matching with anyone state previous state. No, it is not matching. That's why it becomes new state. That is the I6. After that, what we have to do here? Can we perform go to on I3? No, because dot is the right hand side. Can we perform go to on I4? No, because here uh, dot is extremely right side of the production. Can we perform go to on I5? Yes, we can perform here. Now we have to perform go to I5, comma, it is the T. Before T, we have to perform go to. What will happen here? Dot move next position. There is one more T, that is T tends to T F. Can we perform closure of any of these non-terminals? No, because there is a no dot on the left side of the non-terminals. That's why can we, it is matching with any, it is not matching with any uh, state, previous state. That's why I have to give it a separate name. What will be the separate name of this? That become the I7. Now, what what will be the next step? Can we perform go to on F? Yes, we can perform go to on F. It will be go to I5 and F. What will happen here? Just move position of dot. It is matching with any state. Yes, it is matching with I3. That's why we cannot give it as a separate name. It is exactly matching with I3. That's why I have to give it a separate name. Now we have to perform go to on I5 and ID. Go to I5 ID. What will happen? Just move dot on right hand side. It is matching with any state. Just check it. It is matching with I4. That's why I have to give it a I4. If it will not match, then we have to give it a separate name. Means I8 or I9. Now we have performed all the items, all the go to on list of items which is present in I5. Now we can perform go to on I6. Yes, because there is a dot before F. Now what will happen here? We have to perform go to. We have to take I6 and F. What will happen here? Dot moves next position. matching with any state. Now you have to check it is matching with any state. I think it is not matching. That's why I have to give it a separate name, that is I8. After that, we have to perform go to one for which item? I6 and ID. That's why I have to write here go to I6 and ID. What will happen here? F tends to ID dot, because ID moves next position. Can it is this state is matching with any state? Yes, it is matching with I4. That's why I have to give it a uh, same name, that is I4. Now we can perform go to on I7. Yes, we can perform go to on I7 because there is a star dot before the star. That's why we have to perform go to on I7. What will happen here? Go to, first we have to take I7. After that we have to take star. When we perform go to, what will happen? Dot move next position T. This way. Can we perform closure of F? Yes, yes, because F contains dot on their left hand side. That's why we have to perform closure of this one. It is matching with any state. Yes, it is matching with I6. That's why we have to give it a previous name. If it will not match, then we have to give new name, separate name. That's why I have to, it is matching with I6. That's why I'm giving it to the name I6. We can perform go to, we have performed already go to an I7, I5, we have I3 and I4. These are the previous state. I have already taken go to of these items. Yes, it is possible to perform go to an I8. No, because dot is on the extremely right hand side. Clear hai? That is about the LR0, how to find LR0 set of item for SLR parsing. In my next lecture, you have to learn about how we have to draw the SLR parsing table. Now I am going to stop.